Now let's take up different examples to understand the theory part which we have done under the heading atomic models. So let's move into examples very slowly and very clearly, applying the principles we have learned so far. So let's take up this problem, and this problem appeared in IIT JEE 1989. The problem says a gas of identical hydrogen like atom has some atoms in the lowest energy level A and some atoms in a particular upper excited energy level B, and there are no atoms in any other energy levels. The atom of the gas make transition to a higher energy level by absorbing monochromatic light of photon energy 2.7 electron volt. Subsequently, the atoms emit radiation of only 6 different photon energies. Some of the emitted photons have energy 2.7 electron volt, some have more and some have less than 2.7 electron volt. There are 3 questions which we have to calculate. First, we have to find the principal quantum number of initially excited level B. Second, we have to calculate the ionization energy for the gas atom. And the third, we have to find the maximum and minimum energies of the emitted photons. Let's move into the solution of this problem slowly. Now let's concentrate on the figure which shows the energy levels of A and B of hydrogen-like atom. Now when light of photon energy 2.7 electron volt is absorbed, let the electron go to an excited state C. Since subsequently the atom emits 6 different photons, the state C should be such that 6 different transitions are possible. Now the possible transitions are shown in figure, and it is obvious that energy level C must correspond to a quantum number 4. Now here we can also make use of the expression which we have known while going through the theory part, that NC2, where N is the principal quantum number of the excited state, NC2 is equal to 6. That is N into bracket N minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So here the value of N must be 4. That means the electron has to move from ground state, that is 1 to 4. Then on subsequent de-excitation, it will emit 6 different spectral lines. Now the quantum number, that was the question. Find the principal quantum number of initially excited level B. Now here the quantum number corresponding to state B must therefore be between 1 and 4. This means it is either 2 or 3. Now it is given that EC minus EB is equal to 2.7 electron volt. Now if NB is 3, there will be no subsequent radiation with energy less than 2.7 electron volt. But we are given that there are some subsequent radiations with energy less than 2.7 electron volt. This is possible only if there is some other energy state between B and C having a difference less than 2.7 electron volt. Therefore, NB must be 2. Now we know that En is equal to minus 13.6 Z square upon N square. So this EB will be equal to E2 minus 13.6 divided by 2 square into Z square is equal to minus 3.4 Z square. And also we know that EC will be equal to E4, and its value will be minus 13.6 divided by 4 square into Z square, and that works out to be minus 0.852 Z square. Now we know that EC minus EB is 2.7 electron volt, and that gives me minus 0.852 Z square is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. So that gives me the value of Z as 1. Now we can make calculation. For the ionization energy, so we know that ionization energy is simply E1, putting the value of Z. So the ionization energy is minus 13.6 electron volt.